Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Armada key fob battery. First, you'll need just a couple of items. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit, as we'll be working with small parts. Having the right tools ready makes the whole process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might slide out. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Take your time here to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, being careful not to touch any other components. Now, take your new CR2032 battery. Make sure to insert it with the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, head to your Nissan Armada and test the key fob's functions. Try locking, unlocking, and starting the vehicle to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.